Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. If you're new to this channel, I'm an interior designer, decorator, and DIYer who wants to help you make your home your favorite place on earth. So please consider subscribing. I'm very excited about today's video because it finally is here, the makeover for the patio. We have spent a lot of time here in the patio and I thought it was just fair to give it a little refresh. So we gave ourselves a little budget. We're now shopping at Ikea. If you guys haven't seen our Ikea shopping trip and haul for this patio, I really recommend you do. Okay, you guys, so the reason why I'm so excited about getting the patio ready is because we just had Jamison's family stay with us for a few days and they spent all of the time in the patio, which inspired me to give it a little makeover so we can spend more time out there. So let's see what we can find here at Ikea. But with the help of Jamison, we're gonna get this done and I think you guys will enjoy it. So let's get into the patio makeover. All right, you guys, so to get this patio makeover done, the very first thing we're gonna do is to get all of the furniture out of the patio so we can sweep this floor because it's pretty much in need of it. So the very first thing we need to do is just grab all of the piece of furniture and move them out of the way. By taking all of the furniture out of the patio, what it's allowing us is to just give it a really good clean. We need to sweep it. You guys, I wish you could see it. It's just so dusty and there's so many debris from foliages and stuff. So let us get this cleaned and we'll be back with you in just 1 second. All right, you guys, so now that all of the furniture's out and Jamison has done a really good job about sweeping and blowing the floor, what we need to do is bring the bigger piece of furniture into the patio. I have a hatch that I'm gonna put right here that is inside, and also my dining room rug is gonna come out here because it is a very indoor-outdoor texture that I think it will look really good. So let's go inside and get those pieces of furniture outside. Let me show you what I'm talking about. As soon as you walk into the dining room from the patio, we have this area rug right here that is gonna come out. Like I said, it has this texture that is really good for indoor and outdoor. And then if you follow me this way, I can show you the hatch that we decorated is gonna also go outside. So let us get that done and we'll be right back with you. Okay, moving furniture is a perfect occasion you get to really deep clean those areas that you have not cleaned in a long time. As you guys can see, by laying a rug down, it really defines the space and is going to help ground where the furniture needs to go. So let us get the furniture into the space and I'll show you what that is going to look like. All right, you guys, so once all of your furniture is laid out how you want it to be, this is a perfect opportunity for you to wipe everything clean. So we have some water and some cloths right here that we are going to get everything wiped and ready to enjoy. What do you think about the black and white? You think it's gonna look pretty?
Oh yeah, definitely contrast.
I think it's gonna really pop. I wanna go get some green cushions to go with. I'm gonna try first the yellow, but then I wanna see what, because I remember when I went to Dolores Baldas and she had black and white and green, mostly green, and then accents of black and white. Oh my gosh, it was so pretty. As you guys can see, there is a chandelier right here, but I was just telling Jamison that I have this idea of making a chandelier out of mason jars where I could put votive candles and light it up at night. It would be so pretty. So leave me a comment down below if you want to see that DIY next here on the channel. All right, you guys, so all of the furniture is laid out and clean, and this is where the fun begins. We're gonna start bringing out the accessories and give this patio a brand new life, so keep watching. So what do you guys think? I'm really excited, so please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about the makeover so far. All right, you guys, so the very first thing we're gonna do is put our cushions on our chairs and our settee. And I have had these white cushions for a long time now, and I keep them stored away so they don't get stained, even though I know eventually they will. But I just love the contrast of white with any color. You can use it for fall, you can use it for Christmas, you can use it for spring, and like right now for summer. It just gives the patio a really crisp look that we're looking for. And so I'm gonna put this right here. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this greenery up on top of our hatch. And I'm gonna go ahead and just give this guy a little spin, and then we'll readjust. That way, this will extend our greenery all the way up the ceiling. And it will really help create that outdoor oasis that we really are looking for. All right, you guys, so these are the cushions that we got for the dining chairs from Ikea, and I absolutely love them because they have this Velcro. You can Velcro to the back of your chair. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on our chairs right here and secure them right here to the back. All right, you guys, when you're looking for accessories, don't forget to shop your own house. I have this beautiful white tray that I think is going to look great right here with some candles and a bouquet of flowers. Never forget to go see things you already have, because this tray I already had on my bar cart, but it's gonna look perfect here in the patio for the summer season. All right, you guys, so one thing I want to mention about pillows. We got these pillow covers at Ikea for $6.99. All right, you guys, so walking around, I found yet another one. This one's only $5.99, and I also love the stripes. I think it would give it a really contemporary feel to the patio with the white cushion. So we're gonna also look for this one, and let's go look for more. Sometimes it is just cheaper to buy them covers already made instead of going out to buying brand new pillows. We already had these pillows, and I just take them out of our existing covers and I fold them in half, and then I stick them all the way down, and then I release it, and then I just fluff it. Zip it up, and you get yourself a brand new beautiful pillow for under $7. Thumbs up for Ikea.
I also want to make a comment here and let everybody know that it took Ramon about 30 seconds. It took me about 3 minutes to do this, but it was fun.
It looks great. Are you guys ready to see the finished product? Let me show you. So what do you think about the process of making the patio over?
Oh, I love it. It's definitely gone way above what I thought. The color scheme, it's crisp, it's fresh, it's fun, it's risky, and it works.
What is your favorite part about the whole look?
Black and white.
I know the black and white, I had that idea for a long time, and I love the way it looks with the pops of green, with the flowers, with the napkins on the table. I think it really works so far.
Oh, 100%, yes, absolutely.
Yeah, I love it. I absolutely love the way it turned out. All right, you guys, well, that's all we have for today, and we really hope they enjoyed this makeover.
Yes, as we did.
We had so much fun putting it together for you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and share with a friend so they know about Ramon at Home and all of that we do here. I cannot wait to read your comments down below. Jamison had a lot of fun reading your comments about him being here, so that's why he's here again. So please leave us a comment down below and let us know what do you think about the makeover for this patio, and if you're wanting to see more videos like this. All right, that's all we have. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can watch more videos right now. Bye.